Have you ever struggled to find a yearly view of your tasks and events? Well, that was my problem last year in 2024 after I canceled my ClickUp subscription. So I turned to Google Calendar and Obsidian, but neither of them had the yearly view that I needed. So that's when I discovered Jesse Itzler's big calendar, and I realized I could create my own, because that's what I do. I create stuff. So in 2024, I made a vertical calendar, and you can check that video out in the description below. But this year, I designed a horizontal one that fits a better spot in my room. And I recently saw a video by Linking Your Thinking, and that video inspired me to take things digitally. So I downloaded their version as well and then transferred my wall calendar into a linear digital calendar on my iPad. So now I can take it with me everywhere. If you want to create your own, I've linked both a purchase option and a free download below. If you are savvy in Adobe, you can edit the calendar through the purchase, or if you just want to print and go, then find that link below. Also, if you want to see the full tutorial on how I combine and print and put up this calendar, let me know. For some reason, it didn't record, or I forgot to push the button. I don't know. Anyways, the footage I have is here, and that's about it. But if you want more details, let me know and I'd be glad to make it. Thanks so much for watching. Go make something creative. I'll see you in the next one.